any point though. If she starts to head for the sheep, just drop the leash and let her do it. You can see puppy attention spans are quite limited. Boy, Rory's getting a lot done.
Drop it. Drop it.
Okay, go over and cut the sheep off with their, cut their heads off so that they head the other way. Okay, let her go. Let her go. And it's kind of nice that we're not even saying anything. We're just letting her think. I like that shoulder marking. Okay, walk towards your sheep. I'll think she's a sheepdog, Carolyn. What? Turn towards the brown one. Oh. Oh. Turn toward that, any of them. Just move briskly towards sheep.
Can I take her leash off first?
Yeah, you can.
Fine.
This is much easier without my sunglasses on. I can see.
Oh, that's so cute. There's more of it than you could begin to cover up. So you see, varying degrees of friction. Just head straight for him. Head straight for him. Good. Now, catch her fairly soon, but wait till she's done. Next time she stops on her own, just catch her. And the reason I'm saying that is she's liking it, but she